What if I told you that you could enjoy a delicious, satisfying drink every morning that not only tastes great, but also helps you shed those extra pounds? Celebrities like Jennifer Aniston and Gwyneth Paltrow swear by their daily smoothies to maintain their fit and fabulous physiques. Smoothies have become a go-to solution for anyone looking to boost their health while staying on track with their weight loss goals. Today, we'll dive into some easy and healthy smoothie recipes that are perfect for weight loss. These recipes are packed with nutrients, low in calories, and can be whipped up in minutes, making them ideal for those busy mornings. Whether you're just starting your health journey or looking for new ideas to keep it exciting, these smoothies will help you stay energized and on track. Why smoothies are great for weight loss. Smoothies have gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. When made correctly, they can be a powerful tool for weight loss. Unlike many other drinks, smoothies can be loaded with fiber, protein, and healthy fats that keep you full and satisfied. The right combination of ingredients can provide a balanced meal that controls your cravings and stabilizes your blood sugar levels. Plus, smoothies are incredibly versatile. Whether you're looking to boost your metabolism, get more greens in your diet, or simply enjoy a sweet treat without the guilt, there's a smoothie recipe that can help you achieve your goals. One of the biggest advantages of smoothies is that they are quick and easy to prepare. All you need is a blender and a few minutes of your time. This makes them perfect for busy individuals who don't have time to prepare a full meal, but still want to eat something nutritious. Additionally, smoothies are portable, which means you can take them on the go, making it easier to stick to your healthy eating plan no matter where you are. Ingredients for weight loss. Smoothies. The key to creating a smoothie that supports weight loss is choosing the right ingredients. Here's a breakdown of some of the most effective ingredients you can include in your smoothies. Number 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are low in calories but high in nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They add bulk to your smoothie without adding extra calories, helping you stay full for longer. Number 2. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and fiber while being relatively low in sugar compared to other fruits. They add natural sweetness to your smoothie without spiking your blood sugar. Number 3. Protein. Adding a source of protein to your smoothie, such as Greek yogurt, protein powder, or nut butter, helps keep you full and supports muscle maintenance during weight loss. Number 4. Healthy fats. Ingredients like avocado, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide healthy fats that can help you stay satiated and improve your body's ability to absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Number 5. Fiber-rich foods. Adding fiber-rich foods like oats, chia seeds, and flax seeds to your smoothies can help improve digestion, keep you full, and reduce cravings. Number 6. Low-sugar liquid bases. Instead of using fruit juice, opt for low-calorie bases like water, unsweetened almond milk, or coconut water. These liquids add hydration without unnecessary sugars. Recipe 1. Green Goddess Smoothie. The Green Goddess smoothie is a perfect way to start your day with a burst of nutrients. Packed with leafy greens, this smoothie is rich in vitamins and minerals, low in calories, and high in fiber. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, half cup kale, half avocado, half banana for sweetness, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, a handful of ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Add spinach, kale, avocado, and banana to your blender. 2. Sprinkle in the chia seeds and protein powder. 3. Pour in the almond milk and add the ice cubes. 4. Blend until smooth and creamy. 5. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Benefits: this smoothie is loaded with fiber and healthy fats from the avocado and chia seeds, which help you stay full and satisfied. The spinach and kale provide a hefty dose of vitamins A and C, along with other essential nutrients, without adding many calories. The protein powder ensures you're getting enough protein to fuel your body and support muscle maintenance. Recipe 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. If you're looking for a smoothie that's both delicious and packed with antioxidants, the Berry Blast smoothie is for you. Berries are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them a perfect ingredient for weight loss smoothies. Ingredients: half cup blueberries, half cup strawberries, half cup raspberries, 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 cup coconut water, a handful of ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Add the blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and Greek yogurt to your blender. 2. Sprinkle in the flax seeds. 3. Pour in the coconut water and add the ice cubes. 4. Blend until smooth and creamy. 5. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Benefits: berries are high in fiber and antioxidants, which can help fight inflammation and support weight loss. Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture while providing a good source of protein and probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. Flax seeds add a dose of healthy fats and additional fiber, helping to keep you full. Recipe 3. Tropical Slim Down Smoothie. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this delicious tropical slim down smoothie. This smoothie is refreshing, hydrating, and packed with metabolism-boosting ingredients. Ingredients: half cup pineapple chunks, half cup mango chunks, half banana, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup coconut water, a handful of ice cubes. Instructions: 1. Add the pineapple, mango, and banana to your blender. 2. Add the coconut oil and chia seeds. 3. Pour in the coconut water and add the ice cubes. 4. Blend until smooth and creamy. 5. Pour into a glass and enjoy immediately. Benefits: pineapple and mango add natural sweetness and a burst of tropical flavor while being low in calories. Both fruits contain enzymes that aid digestion and support metabolism. Coconut oil is a healthy fat that can help increase satiety, while chia seeds add fiber and healthy fats to keep you full. Adding a healthy snack. To round out your smoothie meal, consider pairing it with a light and healthy snack, such as a handful of raw almonds or a piece of fruit like an apple or pear. These snacks add extra fiber and nutrients to your diet, helping to keep you full and energized throughout the day. Fun facts about smoothies. Smoothies have come a long way from their early days as simple fruit blends. The first smoothies were actually invented in the 1930s by health food stores in the United States, where they were sold as refreshing drinks during the summer. However, it wasn't until the 1960s and 70s that smoothies began to gain widespread popularity thanks to the rise of health food culture and the introduction of the blender as a common household appliance. Celebrities have played a significant role in popularizing smoothies as a health trend. For example, Gwyneth Paltrow is known for her love of green smoothies and has even shared her recipes through her lifestyle brand, Goop. Jennifer Aniston has also credited her daily smoothie routine as a key factor in maintaining her toned physique. Smoothies have since become a staple in the diets of many health-conscious individuals, from athletes to busy professionals looking for a quick and nutritious meal. If you try any of these recipes, let us know how they turned out in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips to keep you on track with your wellness goals. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.